Dr. Salazar, thank you for joining us at the State Department today. We've had a discussion about a very significant problem, that of youth unemployment. And in your role as the executive director of the ILO's employment section, I'm particularly interested in knowing what you see as opportunities for public-private partnerships that can address the issue of youth unemployment.
Yes, thank you very much. I think a lot of the solutions, many of the solutions for the youth employment crisis and situation can be tackled and addressed by public-private partnerships. One key partnership is the issue of how the private sector can engage with educational institutions, universities, high schools, and vocational training and community colleges, etc., to make sure that the kinds of courses that are given provide the right qualifications that young people need. And here we're talking not just of the technical qualifications, which is very important to match what the private sector is demanding in terms of the actual technical skills, but also the life skills. If you talk to employers, you see that many of them complain that they don't find that the young people have the right work habits or attitudes towards work, towards responsibility, towards coming in time, even personal presence or etiquette, articulation, teamwork, a bit of leadership. These are essential aspects, as we all know, of the worlds of work, and there is a lot that public-public partnerships can do then in both the technical skills and the life skills. There is public-private partnership potential also for public employment services, for information systems that match supply and demand. With the information industry, for instance, a lot of the new technologies can be used at the service of this, the social networks, Facebook, Twitter, etc. We know young people live very much in this as a new generation, and there are many ways that technologies can be helpful to put in contact young people searching for jobs with the right companies. There are other investments that the public, the private sector can do. The private sector should invest more, and they can, particularly in this age of crisis, in apprenticeships, in on-the-job training opportunities for young people, also engaging with the public sector. I would say that one needs also to take into account what trade unions are doing and can do. There is several academies that trade union organizations have on leadership. They are training young trade union leaders. And they have a tremendous outreach in the community, in many factories around the world and in different countries, where also many of these initiatives can be promoted. So there is a tremendous scope, I think, to compare these practices within countries, but also comparing what other countries are doing. And we certainly in the ILO are very much working and promoting partnerships, and we are very interested in learning from new ways of doing these partnerships. The young leaders themselves have shown that there are lots of things that with the right guidance and support they themselves can achieve for themselves and the people and other young people in their communities.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Dr. Salazar. We in the United States government, particularly in the State Department, look forward to being actively engaged in this discussion in the upcoming conference of the ILO this June.